Hello guys, today we're gonna do the review of the drone HS100 GPS, and it has some features like this, and it has follow me mode, it has HD camera, it has 4 channels and something like that. I think it's not a big box. We're gonna see what's inside of the box.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.
We have like a phone box here.
Need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding.
Here we have the drone, and here we have some instructions, and it's very important to read this because we have to know how to work it, because this drone has a lot of features. Here we have the battery, and we have to be careful with the battery because it's made of lithium. Here we have the remote control. It has a lot of buttons. Here we have the power button, and we have some buttons like follow me to control the camera and something like that. And I think it's big, but I think it's comfortable. Here we have a thing to put our phone. And here we have the drone. This is the camera. It is of 1080 pixels. I think it's a good camera. At the end of the video I'm going to put some pictures made for this drone, so you can see the quality of this camera. And here we have another accessories to protect the propellers. We have 6. And here we have a case to store the battery. Here we have a notebook. And here we have some accessories to assemble the drone. Here we have screwdrivers or something like that, and another pieces. And here we have a cable to charge the battery. And the propellers are underneath the phone box. We're going to see. Here we have the propellers. We have 6 propellers, and we have 2 extra propellers to protect the drone. Hey guys, we have the drone here. First we have to assemble it, and then we can try to fly this. And you can see it's a nice drone. Then we have to put the battery in this side. Look at this. Yeah, it has some beautiful LEDs, and here we have the remote control. So it's not difficult to assemble it, you just have to follow the instructions on the manual, and then we can try to fly it. This is the drone ready to fly, so let's see some videos and photos that I took with this drone, so you can see how is the quality of this drone and enjoy it. the city where I live, so I think the weather is not good, so you can see the quality of the camera. I think the camera is good, but it's not the best there is. But if we compare the price with the quality, I think it's a good drone. So let's watch a video that I recorded at night, and I think this camera is not good in this condition. So you can judge it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, please.